Difference between typography and typeface. Typography and typeface are closely related terms in the world of design, but they refer to different concepts. Typography is the art and technique of arranging text to make written language legible, readable, and visually appealing. It involves the selection of typefaces, point sizes, line spacing, leading, letter spacing, tracking, and adjusting the space between pairs of letters, kerning. Typeface, on the other hand, refers to the design of the letters, numbers, and symbols, essentially, the visual style of the text. Examples of typefaces include Arial, Times New Roman, and Helvetica. A typeface consists of fonts that vary in weight and style, like bold, italic, or light. In summary, typeface is the design, what you choose, while typography is the arrangement, how you use it. Typography uses typefaces as tools to create visually effective and communicative designs. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.